know how to do an introduction. Hello, this is Lachlan. Today we will be doing a set review of set 7 something. This set came from The Mandalorian, and one criticism, not really criticism, but thing is that I think Lego kind of missed the mark. I mean, like, it's a good set. That's obvious. But if they had made this into just a battle pack, that would have sold so well. And then they did a different set for like that throne room scene at the end of Mandalorian. That would have sold so well. But they didn't do that. They did this. And then a bunch of people, since it has a price tag of like $35, a bunch of people just bought the set in multiples. Kind of like 501st Trooper Attack. It's a really good set with, how many pieces? It has 166 pieces. That's just, wow. Okay, 166 pieces is like usually battle pack level. It's okay, but it's not a lot. Well, okay. See you when I get to bag 2. Yeah, bag 2.
Yo!
Done. This came with a Dark Trooper and Luke Skywalker. Fun fact, I did not actually get the new hood piece yet, so that's pretty cool, I guess. Anyway, that's pretty much it. So, on to bag 2. Okay, we're finished. Don't know how good the building process was. I don't know what to say. The set is really good. Like I said before, I definitely missed something. Yeah. This was definitely meant to go somewhere, and I did not find where it went. So moving all of the extra pieces, this set is really good. I would probably